Very good morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to our English class. I hope all are safe at home. Today we can continue our topic words with vowel O. Yes, now all be ready with our English textbook and English notebook also. Yes, let's start. Yes, today first all take out our English textbook. Yes. Now open page number 44. Page number 44. Till page number 43 we completed. But here one page is pending. Page number 40. We can do this page in the next session. Yes. Today now all open page number 44. Yes. Here you put today's date also. Today 5th October. So 5. October means 10th month. 10/2020. And this is our class work. Okay. So we can do exercise in page number 44 only. Only one page we are doing now. Yes. Look here. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. So what we have to do? We have to look at the picture, given picture, and we have to fill in the blanks. Yes. All listen here. What is this? Dog. We know this is a dog. Yes, now read the sentence. The dash can run run. Okay. The dash can run. Yes. What will come here? Dog. The dog can run. Yes, all right. Say the spelling of dog. Dog. D-O-G. Yes, we all know. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. D-O-G. Dog. The dog can run. Yes, finished all? Yes. See the next one. What is this? Mop. What is this? Mop. Yes. Now read the sentence. The dash is wet. Wet means gilla. The dash is wet. So the dash is wet. What is wet? Mop. The mop is wet. So say the spelling of mop. M-O-P. Mop. It's alright. M-O-P. M-O-P. Mop. The mop is wet. Is all clear? Yes. See the next one. What is this? Cat. A cat. Now read the sentence. It is a dash. It is a, is all say, what will come here? It is a cat. Yes. Now say the spelling of cat. S. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. C-A-T. C-A-T. Cat. Okay. Finish. Then see the next picture. See. This is a bat. And the bat is on the what? Bed. This is a bed. Yes. Read this. The dash is on the dash. So we have to fill here. The dash is on the dash. So what is on the bed? Bat. What is on the bed? Bat. The bat is on the bed. Yes. Now write. Say the spelling of bat. B-A-T. Bat. B-A-T. B-A-T. Bat. The bat is on the what? Bed. What is this? Bed. So say the spelling of bed down. Bed. But at the bed. B-E-D. Bed. Yes. B-E-D. Okay. Yes. Then see the last one. What is this? One pen is in a box. What is this? A box. Yes. Read the sentence. The dash is in. In means under. On means upper. Okay. The dash is in a dash. The dash is in a dash. Yes. What is in a box? Pen. So what we have to fill here? The pen is in a box. Okay. The pen. Say the spelling of pen. Pen. S. Words with vowel E. Pen. P-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. P. Spelling you have to try to say the spelling, okay? P-E-N. The pen is in a dash. The pen is in a what? Box. Box. What is this? Box. So say the spelling of box. Box. S. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Okay. B-O-X. Box. Okay. Yes. Now all listen here. The dog can run. Yes. All read with me. Okay. Then second one. The mop is wet. Third one. It is a cat. Then next one. The bat is on the bed. The bat is on the bed. Then last one. The pen is in a box. The pen is in a box. Yes. Our class is finished. Yes, now all close this book. Yes, now all of you take out our English notebook. Yes, all take beta. Take the new page. Take the new page. We completed words with vowel I. We completed, and I had given the homework also. I think all had completed the homework also. Yes. Now take page. Take the new page. Here you put today's date, 5th October 2020, and this is our homework. Okay. Okay. Yes. So heading we have to write is words with vowel O. We learned so many words, how to read and write words with vowel O. Here we are going to write some more words with vowel O. Okay. We learned to read and write in our textbook and in our cursive book also. And today now we are going to write some more words with vowel O in our notebook also. Okay. Yes. Put the heading. Words. W-O-R-D-S. Words with W-I-T-H. With vowel V-O-W-E-L. Vowel O. Words with vowel O. Okay. Yes. Then leave the second line. Leave this line. And from the third line, you draw two lines like this. And here you put number 1. Number 1. S. N-O-D. Yes, all start writing. N-O-D. N-O-D. Can you able to read this word N-O-D? All try to read. N-O-D. Node. N-O-D. Node. Okay. Then here copy this node 2 times. Then number 2. Then next word F-O-G. See. F-O-G. Can you able to read F-O-G? Yes. Fog. 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 What is this? Fog. Then number 3. R-O-T. 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 Yes, all read R-O-T. Rot. Rot. What is this? Rot. Then number 4. These are words with vowel O. L-O-T. L-O-T. Yes, all read L-O-T. Lot. R-O-T. Rot. L-O-T. Lot. Then number 5. P-O-P. P-O-P. Yes, all read P-O-P. Pop. 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 P-O-P. Pop. Then number 6. H-O-G. 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 Yes, all say H-O-G. Hog. H-O-G. Hog. Then number 7. M-O-M. M-O-M. Mom. M-O M-O-M, mom. M-O-M, mom. Number 8. L-O-B, 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 lobe, L-O-B, lobe. Yes, listen once again. N-O-D, node. F-O-G, fog. R-O-T, rot. L-O-T, lot. P-O-P, pop. H-O-G, hog. M-O-M, mom. L-O-B, lobe. Okay? Yes. Copy 2 times here. Yes. This is our homework. Today we completed classwork and homework, and we can see the next topic in the next session. Till then, bye.